Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete chats on Telegram. So let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. In the chat section, tap on the edit button from the top left corner of your screen. Now, choose the chats that you want to delete by tapping on them. Once you have selected the chats, tap on the delete button from the bottom right corner of your screen. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on the delete option again to remove the chats permanently. And this is how you can delete chats on Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.